Welcome to the pool party of the century. Meet your hosts, Layla and Lily the toy poodles. We hope you have a ball. And if we're going to have all this fun splashing about, we're going to need a way to dry off afterwards too. So we'll be reviewing the Handlily 2, a fast-drying, hands-free, low-noise pet hairdryer from Petietec. If you're impressed by this hairdryer, you can use the coupon code in our description to enjoy 10% off your purchase. Thank you to Petietec for making this available to our viewers. According to their website, the Handlily 2 pet dryer will cut drying time in half by leaving your hands free to brush or towel dry your pets while the cool and warm air goes to work removing moisture from their coat. The innovative design can effectively control the noise emitted by the dryer to below 80 decibels to help reduce anxiety in pets. The dryer has 3 different fan speeds and 4 heat settings, so you can control the airflow and temperature depending on your furry friend's coat and heat preferences. Before using the hairdryer, we left it out where the dogs could sniff it and get used to it, and put a few familiar items around it to help them feel comfortable. We also let them hear the sound, and as you can tell, it is really quiet. Lily, our 5-month-old puppy, got by far the wettest during the pool party, and she was starting to look a little cold. So we decided to set the dryer to a slightly warmer setting and see if she would use it first. This was Lily's first time in the paddling pool, and the air might have been a new sensation too far for one day, so we took her out to towel dry in the sunshine instead and try again with her another day when she was a bit older. Meanwhile, our 2-year-old dog Layla couldn't wait to have a turn. You can see her tapping her brush with her little paw, which told me she was ready to be groomed. Because Layla had only been in the water a little, I loved that the hairdryer allowed me to set the air to a cooler temperature for her to cool her down after being outdoors on a warm day. Layla sat in front of the dryer for a long time, very happily, and long after she really needed to be there. She seemed to like the feel of the air, and the gentle sound of the dryer appeared to be soothing for her. Because it's hands-free, we had a very easy time grooming and drying simultaneously. The nose is flexible and allowed us to dry different parts of Layla without moving her once she was settled. It is also detachable, and the wire can be rolled up and put away inside the hairdryer, making the whole thing easy to store. We would definitely recommend this product. It's going to make our lives a lot easier in the future when drying our dogs. I would also say that we have received incredible customer service from the company, who have been polite, attentive, and answered our questions promptly. If you have a question for us, please let us know in the comments section below, and we'll get right back to you.